WBZAM.
When it comes to our economy and business, it's been a very tough time over the past few months, right, as we've all been dealing with this COVID-19. But one of the things I found really inspirational, and I think Tom will back me up on this, and because, Tom, you're meeting all these people, is we're seeing a number of people who are seeing opportunities in this whole COVID-19 crisis to come up with new ways to do the business they were doing before, or in your case, a brand new business or a way of doing business altogether. So I'm excited to hear this. Tell us about your story.
Yeah. You know, what's cool about it, Troy, is I love that parents are inspiring their kids to do things, and that's what's going on with Nicholas Bubeck. Say hello to Nicholas.
Hello.
How are you? It's Nicholas Bubeck. So, Nicholas, you started your own company. What inspired you to do that?
So my mom told me to start a business during the coronavirus, and so one day my mom brought out this huge box of crafts, and I made one plane.
Yeah, I see these planes now. I got a purple one, you got a yellow one. Now, why didn't you ask her if you could open like maybe a cookie business or maybe cakes or something?
It's because I wanted something arty.
Yeah, there you go. Well, I love arts and crafts. Now, you're selling these now. How much are the planes?
$7.50.
Okay, and the kits?
Um,
I think the kits are $8, aren't they?
8.
Yeah, and the planes are actually 12, and that includes shipping and everything. So if you want to help them out, what's your website?
Creations by Nicholas.
All right, well, let's start making one now. I kind of like blue. Can we make a blue one?
Sure.
All right, very cool. So what grade are you in?
First grade.
So how was kindergarten?
Good.
Who was your teacher?
Miss Foster.
Oh, I know Miss Losser. She owes me 50 bucks.
Klosser.
Oh, Klosser. Yeah, she owes me 50 bucks. I know. Oh, Klosser. Yeah. I know her. Yeah, I know her.
What's this LDR?
So you made this plane, and your brother really liked it, and then something kind of you thought, this is pretty cool, isn't it? What was it about your brother that you thought, if he likes it, a lot of people like it?
It's because he wanted all of it.
He just wanted to take it? Yeah. Uh-huh. Now, the foundation that you're helping is the Triple Heart Foundation. Tell me about that.
The Triple Heart Foundation gives free books to the NICU.
Mm-hmm. And you were a NICU kid. He was a NICU kid. Yeah, he was really little. He was in NICU for 7 days at Honor Health on Shea. So the family's really grateful that they took care of him. So what they're doing is, for every kit that they sell and every plane that they sell, they're donating $1 to give books to the families who have kids in the NICU, which is really cool. All right, well, I would love a blue one. First of all, what's your favorite color?
Yellow and red.
Yellow and red. And your favorite number?
12 and 6.
And your favorite cookie?
Oreos and chocolate chip.
I'm with you on the chocolate chip. Who's your girlfriend?
I don't have any.
Okay. Now, why is there a clip on the end of this? I was going to ask you about that. I think that's a cool part of it. Show me what that's for.
The clip, it could hold anything, even a picture or something that's flat.
Oh, there you go. Yeah. Well, Nicholas, tell everybody your website if they want to buy a plane or maybe get a kit for kids on the website. What's your website?
Creations by Nicholas.
Creationsbynicholas.com. How about that, you guys? He's already got a business going, and he's donating money to a special cause, that's for sure.
But he doesn't have a girlfriend. You got side-eye from that one, Tom.
I know. Well, he likes chocolate chips, so he's good in my book.
And Oreos. And, yeah, he had 2 favorites of everything. Yeah, hey, that's an impressive first grader right there. I'll say that for sure. Does it fly? Let me see if you can make it fly, Tom.
No. It doesn't fly. It's a very delicate toy,
yes,
so you gotta either put it on a shelf to kind of look at it.
Or
it's arts and crafts, or what?
If you're good enough if you use art and you make something and you play fit out of art, you could use your plane to play fit.
Yeah, you can play with it for sure. And you can probably get some glue, put it back together as well.
I see.
Quite the artist. Great job, Nicholas. You're awesome.
Good meeting you,
now
Nicholas.
Now let's go to our plane. I'm going to show you.
Well, he's got more to show you,
All right,
Tom.
let's make one
You better roll some
Oh,
video
yeah, he's
on
going to
this.
make one.
Oh, okay. Get the glue out.
We got all the things that we need here, too, Troy.
You know, I miss working with glue.
There you go, there's a bottle cap.
I already have the pieces.
I'm gluing
You got it
something's
all?
broken.
Perfect.
You know, it's never like a fun gluing. When you're a kid, you use glue to have fun. When you're an adult, you use glue because something just broke.
First, I glued
Right?
there.
Ooh, that's a good dollop of
There you
glue
go.
there.
Very
Nothing's
nice.
going anywhere. Yeah.
He's not messing around.
Oh, there you go.
He's making
yeah.
a blue one for me, Troy.
Oh,
I'm
there
bringing
you
this
go.
bad boy home.
All right, Tom, thank you. Nick, great talking with you as well. Coming up in one.